Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Cooler MasterLiquid 360 IO and CPU cooler. So friend, Cooler Master has announced the flagship AI cooler featuring the company's first LCD display and showcase the most advanced cooling technology to the date. And our technical expertise is embodied the MasterLiquid 360 IO and designed to provide unparalleled cooling performance and customization. And this product set our user up for success, ensuring their system runs smoothly and efficiently. And friends, in key features including Gen X dual chamber design means dual chamber work together for the most efficient cooling, and 2.5-inch IPS LCD screen. The pump feature a 2.5-inch LCD screen fully customizable via the Master CTRL software and equipped with 3 movies, 120p ARGB fan for unmatched cooling performance and personalization and compatibility. Built-in features such as a controllable ARGB lighting and automatic PWM adjustable are comfortable with all major motherboards and allow for in-depth personalization. And for pre-installed movies, 120p ARGB fans and simplified bracket design make installation simple and faster. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.